Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be how to install free Mcboot on a PS2 memory card. Now, there are a few routes to take on this one, but the quickest and easiest way is through FreeDVDB. Now, there's a lot of content when it comes to modding, the soft modding with PS2, and that's because this thing is a goldmine of hacks. The most recent is an exploit that takes advantage of the DVD software to launch games natively without the need for mods. But that's a video for another day. So click that like button, subscribe, future content, and turn on notifications. So what you're going to need for this mod is a pen drive. Doesn't need to be large, free Mcboot is a few megabytes. A rewritable DVD, a DVD rewriter, a PS2. The slim model is best as it works with all of them. Now we're going to need 3 bits of software too. FreeDVDB, free Mcboot, and something to burn disk images. In this example I'm using IMGBurn. Links will be provided in the description. So while looking for free DVD boot, you need one that is compatible with your DVD drive. If you turn on your PS2 and press triangle, it'll take you to an about screen. One up from the bottom of the list, it should tell you your DVD player model. Here mine's 3.11 and these not really that important. In the case of Slims, it's an all-in-one file, so no need to worry about compatibility. For the fat model, you'll need to be more selective. Moving on to free Mcboot, it's a one-shoe-fits-all piece of software and you'll just need to go to GitHub and download it. So once you've downloaded DVDB, open IMGBurn or whatever software you're using, mount the disk image and burn it to the DVD-R. This will take a little bit of time, so use the time to pick up free Mcboot from GitHub. Unzip free Mcboot directly to the pen stick, and then we're all set to install it on the memory card. Now for the less demanding part, turn on your PS2 with FreeDVDB in your drive, plug in your memory card and your pen stick and one of the 3 USB slots. Doesn't really matter if the PS2 is on or launch shelf is already loaded or anything, they're both plug and play. The first screen you see will be launch shelf startup. Press circle to open the screen with all of the devices and ports on the PS2. 4 down, you'll see a file called mass. This is the USB stick that has the installation file for free Mcboot on. Click circle on it and it will bring up a screen with everything on the USB. Click the file that says FMCB install. From there it's the 5th option down, FMCB installer.elf. Once you've clicked this, it will launch the installation program for free Mcboot. I'd like to stress at this point that the memory card you use shouldn't have anything you want to keep on it. If you click R1 twice, and you will come to a screen with a top option saying Format MC. Format memory card and return to the first screen by hitting L1 twice. Install free Mcboot. It will give you 3 options for this machine, for machines of this region, and for every PS2. I use for PS2s of this region. The reason why is for another video, but we'll go into that when we're dealing with adding a hard drive to the PS2 FAT. Wait for the installation to complete and then turn off your machine. At this point, you can remove your free DVD boot from the drive and the pen stick from the USB port and enjoy your free Mcboot. Just as a side note, it's much easier to install FreeMcBoot on another memory card now, as you just need 2 memory cards inserted with the USB pen stick, and you just run through all the steps with the launch help again. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch this space for similar PS2 content.